Bounty Killer has pulled on Trinidad's Bunji Garlin for Free Up. The track dropped today and is a pre-release about his upcoming album King of Kingston. The catchy track speaks to soca and dancehall lovers missing parties, like me.
Everybody want some. When we touch road, tar burn up car tire peel. Semi fresh like money millionaire feel. Free if you move round, no more we lock down, but we still a pray for the one them behind steel.
We've been talking about this collaboration from as far back as about 2006 or something like that. You know, we always been saying, yo, can't wait to hear something with both of you all together, you know, how we always talk about it. And we always say and maintain that, you know, when the time is right, it will arrive. Well, of course, the time is right. And the inspiration behind the song, of course, is based on exactly what is happening in the world right now.
And Taylor Swift has made history as the first woman to be awarded the Global Icon Prize at the Brit Awards. The pop superstar was given the prestigious award at the annual ceremony last night. In her inspirational acceptance speech, Taylor reached out to new artists, encouraging them to be fearless.
If there's one thing that I've learned, it's that you have to look around you every day and take note of the people who have always believed in you and never stop appreciating them for it. Never take them for granted. There are so many incredible new artists in this room tonight, and a lot of people watching who have goals and ambitions and dreams for themselves. I need you to hear me when I say that there is no career path that comes free of negativity. If you're being met with resistance, that probably means that you're doing something new.
Announcing the awards, the Brits said in a statement that Swift had been honored for her immense impact on music across the world and incredible repertoire and achievements to date. Taylor was also nominated for Best International Female, along with Ariana Grande, Cardi B, Miley Cyrus, and the winner, Billie Eilish. The international male category saw Bruce Springsteen, Burna Boy, Childish Gambino, and Tame Impala giving way to The Weeknd for the title. The 2021 Brit Awards aired live from London's O2 Arena with around 4,000 frontline workers in attendance, making it the first major indoor music event to welcome back a live audience in the UK. Free up! I'm Daedran for E! Prime.